It must come from the heart. The challenge is to install a seamless floor in a historic building where not everything is straight and level and where the client and the architect have clear requirements.
Machines are, of course, very important. You can't work with just any power tools. I really like the Rotex because it's a great sander in terms of weight and handling for this job. If we don't close the joints at the edge properly and it spills, you might end up with a hole like this. Although these are large areas, you also have to be very precise in the details, such as getting everything level. The new RG130 is much better than the old one because it doesn't run so hot. What I really like is the part at the front that folds up so that you can really get right up to the edge. The brush length has been increased, which results in less dust development. Festool has really thought one step ahead, and we are delighted with it.
Machines, a very important topic. To really get to the point, you need 100% reliable tools. Of course, we use products, tools, electric machines, Festool for example, that really have a high performance and are reliable. That's what you need.